As you can see this place is called Happy Home. You can see this board, it's called Happy Home. But right now, this place is being used for garbage dump. What do? We collect the entire waste management solution for Asagaon. We have taken the responsibility. NGO Live Happy is taken the responsibility to collect the waste of entire Asagaon. For now, only 60 to 70 houses are registered to give their waste. Besides that, we just go and do spot fixing. We go around Asagaon, whichever place is contaminated, we clean that area. I don't know how many people are aware of this Live Clean walk. So besides this, I would like to give a message. I would like to show also my dear friends. I would like to show my friends. This is where we collect. This is where we collect our waste. We have just collected our waste, and he is Mr. Vinod. He's taking responsibility of collecting all the waste. As you can see inside, this is just 1 month old garbage. That's what I want to tell you all, Asagaon people. This is 1 month old garbage what we have been collecting, and more than 2 tons. As you can see here, there is more than 2 tons of garbage what we collect every month. So I request, and you see, it's most of them things are mixed. Most of the things, and very few people are aware of the segregation that is wet and dry. So I request my, come here. I request my brothers and sisters of Asagaon to please segregate their waste, and give it separate, because it's coming really difficult for us. The most important thing is we ourselves, with the limited resources, we do this without any authority support. For past 1 year we have been doing this with no authority or any support from anyone. So please, with our limited resources, we are doing this. So please help us in helping you all, especially Asagaon. Help us in helping you all to keep our mother nature clean. And this is the responsibility we have taken. And this center used to be a community center, but right now, since the panchayat, since the government is not providing us land, for past 2 years I've been struggling to ask a small piece of land from this panchayat or from the comunidad to give me a small piece of land so I can do my segregation out somewhere, because we have huge land in Asagaon. So if they can provide me, not me, to the panchayat, if they can provide us a small land where we can do this segregation, the work will be much easier and simpler. Now the reason why I'm telling you all is, you hear me, the clear words which are coming out of my mouth. Please, if you have any connection with this panchayat or with this comunidad, spread the message around to help us. Otherwise, please come personally and have a look what exactly is happening in Happy Home. So this is Feligoms to you all the way from Goa, Asagaon, India. Deo Bore Kuru. Mogasso.